Hello, we are going to make ground cherry pie. I have 4 cups of ground cherries in the bowl. We are going to add the sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, ground cloves, and vanilla, and mix that up. And I have the oven preheating at 450. The full recipe is down below. Now that it's all mixed up, we're going to let it set for 15 minutes before we put it in the pie crust. Okay, the timer just went off. It's been setting for 15 minutes. We're just going to stir it a little bit and put it in the pie crust. This is a 9-inch pie crust. And then you just dab it with butter. And put your top on. You'll want to put a couple of slices in it to let the air come through when it's cooking. We will cook it at 350 for 10 minutes. I'm sorry, 450 for 10 minutes, and then 350 for 40 minutes. And here it is, right out of the oven, steaming hot. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. We'll let it cool off, and I'll cut up a slice. And there's the ground cherry pie. I couldn't wait any longer. I have to have a piece. It's still quite warm.